My name is Alex, and I believe this is my third or fourth project on Kickstarter. Um, this is one of the ones that I spent a lot of time on it, and I believe it has merit. I want to tap into the EDC market, which is everyday carry. So I created this survival multi-tool, which I call Nomad. Like I said, it's a survival multi-tool, an everyday carry. It's composed of 3D printed parts, sandwiched by a back and front stainless steel plates that are laser cut. They're attached all together with stainless steel rivets to endure rust and oxidation. Has many features: a carabiner clip, a bottle opener with dual function. It's a bottle opener and a wrench at the same time. It has a compass. It has a blade, momentary flashlight for emergencies, ferrocerium rod. It has a split ring to hang keys or any other things you might want to hang to it. On the other side, you'll find a scraper that slides out. The scraper itself, it's a mini tool that has a 1/4 inch bit adapter. It has 3 different size nut adapters ranging from small, medium, and large. It also can serve as a flathead screwdriver. Goes back in place. When you need to start a fire, you basically swivel out your ferrocerium rod, take your scraper out, scrape, scrape, spark, spark, and you start a fire. When you're done, you close it, turn it around, put your key back in place, your scraper, and you're done. Like I said, it has a carabiner where you can hang it in any belt loop, backpack, or wherever you want to hang this to. It's very lightweight, and this is a very cool multi-tool. Has many functions, and this is Nomad. Hope you guys like it, and hope you guys can back me up.